Ya mwache mwakwa Badwam TV. Badwam kasia so anadwo anopen sama yensa so na braso sa anopen. Ya de brown somno simadu na ya wie shanon son say Adom praise nyame ya dom afia da we ya no ya de hihye so e wo Paris dom oboya chidom da anopen kasia no ya de bro tie somno de di akotene wo mu binie. Mampani abede ya kire de atodwa kire mo sa ban mu mpanimfo se mu wura fia wo kai mo asudie da mo so entimo hwe na bosha ahodo a won hyehye ye na madi nkonimu no mo bahwe na madu eho ye de mu nsam no ebeba ye be konsam foforo mo aban no bonichi mo po wan hwe a so ye de ato small scale mining so no ye nyanyine ne efise se de ekro no enya sa na wo mo pe no ye de mu nkyeremu ebebra mo sanso na futo ne kokoba akode ama aban ne sanke be ya technical and vocational schools no aban ne ma nani nkoho na nani koho ebeboa we ni sembi na no pe ye de bro se bedwam kase midin afia mankwa tamaklo afenya brene tie nsam ni nkyeremu anka samampani abede ye kire Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia de atudwa kyeremu se enkebe ya aban mo empanimfo adwumayefo no obi anhwe na botayenti ema mampani na nado yi wo mu no won so betumi adu ho mampani abede akire de nsemi atudwa ewo nsani ewo atoye mantamu no o se aban na ye crowd bo she bia bra wo mo bonto wo mo hyeye ewo atoye mantamu ansanifo eka ho no o mehwe so betumi adu ho Adom TV kase eto so.
There are 3 key projects that are very, very dear to the hearts of the people in this area. The Adom town roads as well as the inside town roads. The second important project is the fish landing site here in Adom. The third is the sea defense to counteract erosion, which will be taken care of as a consequence also of working on the fish landing site. I want to promise you that these 3 projects will be executed during the term of Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo's government. So, Eva Menz, you are the Director of Budget, and so you and I were here in making this promise. And so if we don't get it in the budget, we cannot come back home.
Lands and Natural Resources Minister Ura Peter Mawu de atodwa kyeremu sa wanhwe a so a won de ato small scale miners so no on besan twen de akwanimu ne nkasemu no de todwa kyeremu se efri bra wo mo ebosensen yesemem obi enkotu se fom agudie hu nsam ne ade no ohom nkyemu be se dunumpe ene wanya mfaso e wo so nti won botaye pa no onu hu nti eno no yi esaso ne firi so a enye yie ne mo hwe animu so mo ebeto asumpo mo gide ni arohyemu se ye to aso bie mu ebeboa na fensi wansu wanom ne ye nsase a small scale miners fo eni mu bi ese no ebeba fom Adom kase eto aso.
At this stage, for me, I don't think that it's proper for us to say go back. No, we cannot do that. And they themselves know. They know all those guys who are fighting for this, they are just few in the society. There are few of them. The millions of Ghanaians downstream, Accra, Kumasi, and other places who are suffering. Precisely, of course, there's going to be extension because we haven't achieved what we're looking for. But we put in modalities, and during the extension period, a lot will be done. We're talking about regularizing the whole system. As for the small-scale licenses that are existing already, well, pronouncement will be made because most of them are not going to be recognized. If they are not going to recognize, then it means you should begin to make effort of coming for new registration.
Chamehne womra shebedwafie Professor Aaron Mike Okwe de atodwa kyeremu sanka ebeya nipemu no nka bibiman yenya commission hwe abato eho ensam sosonko ogidie pa sase yenya bibi etesa na ebetumi nso aboa ama yabato mu nsensam nom ne ade no etimi agira ne nan so eyie ogidie sempanifo dwene ho toto ne ma yie a yebenya baako bi anka agya bibiman nyina mu no ebehwe ensam mu titiwo abato mu Adom TV etwaso.
Your name can appear on the register of 2 countries. That itself is something. Very often you find that African countries when it comes to democracy and doing justice, we invoke the theory of sovereignty. But when we don't do it right and it turns to civil war, then we forget about sovereignty and say, Uganda, come and bring your troops to come and help maintain the peace. So let us do it well and well in every way. You know, we've had the West Africa Examinations Council for so long, and we can also have a West Africa Electoral Commission that will come out with experts.
Jamtani ya or have but all some so my Ghana Mama Charlotte or say so the ya be brace and nay Ghana phone mobile or hormone me chuano be a so chabompany for ye more ya see a crow. Nanenka say mo no the two judge musempo crana, quite a bimokra faso, ebu bimo ateno, ne femono yana a hard drink ye. Papa, ti brason so was a Ghana for a one cassa be a woman ye say bimpo be a bibina come one summoner. A quite on fast or canon so Brussels was say or her son in a ye. Adom TV Cassie at one summoner so.
When you bastardize the institutions, the result is that the people start losing faith in the institutions that are created to safeguard democracy. So you have a situation in Kenya now where one side is bastardizing the judiciary, another side is bastardizing the Electoral Commission. Rather than bastardizing them, people should be focusing on the structures that would ensure that they do their work and do their work properly and in line with the law. The bastardization of persons within those bodies does not strengthen those bodies. They should rather focus on putting processes that would work and that are strong enough to withstand persons, so that regardless of the persons, the processes would work and would deliver what the people want, which is that the votes of the majority should prevail.
Yadekasiani Sikra, the principal data crowd technical institute, Nano, Jonathan Tewia, Eddie Atom Pennyfu, dear Cotton, woman seeing you know, Musanka Beya, woman shana technical and vocational institutions, a war my Ghana mono, and Pennyfu any Baku ye, say woman you come ye pana, a new man name who are quite shrink, profession, a dear degree in master's, as just one more 2 million. A babana ye, name moment on a saram, Jeja and Sa, obey school, and so be no near Jumania, name Pennyfu. Na miana yetete ya wonsa no adwuma de no won hwe so ani beko ho na beboa amadwuma sam ejira ne naso adom etwa so.
Technical institutions should be treated differently from secondary schools and sectors. We are therefore using this platform to appeal that we should be treated differently. The machines which are here can never be found in any secondary or sector in Ghana. Even most universities cannot boast of the equipment we have. We should be given special attention. We need money to pay for utilities. The machines that we use here, the machines and equipment, consume a lot of electricity. For now, we are being treated like any other day school. We are asked or allowed to charge only 6 Ghana cedis for utility. That is water, telephone, internet, and electricity. Most of our machines here need to be updated from time to time using internet. Apart from the above, when it rains heavily, the whole area around the drain and some parts of the school get flooded.
Yejana so Badwam Cassia Nano pay ya no bro na hana brama kwan ne de nyina sie medi afia mankwa tamaklo